So imagine dropping 10 kilos in just 30 days. Sounds impossible. Not anymore. Hi there, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have requested: how to lose 10 kilos in just 1 month. Now, losing 10 kilos in a month is a significant goal. It shows commitment and dedication, but how do we make this happen in a healthy, sustainable way? Let's explore some effective strategies. But before we dive in, let me ask you something. Why do you want to lose those 10 kilos? Is it because you want to fit into a smaller dress size, or because you're tired of feeling self-conscious? Or perhaps it's about improving your health and well-being. Whatever your reason, write it down in the comments section below. Having a clear why can be a powerful motivator on those days when you just don't feel like doing it, so write it down and let's get started. As always, this video is educational and does not constitute medical advice. We are not doctors. So the first thing we need to understand is that losing 10 kilos in a month is definitely achievable, but it requires a focused approach and consistent effort. While quick fix solutions may sound appealing, they often lead to temporary results and can be detrimental to your health. Instead, we will discuss practical strategies that can be easily incorporated into your daily routine without causing any harm to your body. Now let's jump into our list. Number 1. Cold shower therapy. Did you know that exposing yourself to cold temperatures can boost your metabolism and help you burn calories? Well, there is scientific evidence to support this. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that regular cold water shower can increase metabolic rate by up to 250 calories per day. So how does this work? When you step into a cold shower, your body works hard to maintain its core temperature. It activates brown fat, which is responsible for thermogenesis, the process of generating heat. This increased metabolic rate can lead to more calories being burned even at rest. To incorporate this into your routine, start by gradually decreasing the water temperature until you can tolerate a cold shower. Aim for a duration of at least 30 seconds. Over time, you may find that the benefits extend beyond weight loss, including improved circulation and a refreshing start to your day. 2. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting has gained popularity as an effective weight loss strategy. This method involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. One popular approach is the 16-by-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and limit your food intake to an 8-hour window. During the fasting period, your body burns stored fat for energy, leading to reduced calorie intake and fat loss. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that intermittent fasting can lead to similar weight loss outcomes compared to traditional calorie restriction diets while being easier to follow. To begin intermittent fasting, start with shorter fasting periods and gradually increase the duration. Choose a fasting schedule that fits your lifestyle and stick to it consistently. Remember to stay hydrated during the fasting period and focus on consuming nutrient-rich foods during your eating windows. Number 3. Strength training exercises. Strength training exercises are crucial for building muscle mass, which can help boost your resting metabolic rate. Muscle mass improves body composition and helps burn fat, even while at rest. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that strength training can lead to significant reductions in body fat percentage, especially when combined with a balanced diet. To incorporate strength training into your routine, aim for 2 to 3 sessions per week. Focus on compound exercises such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. These exercises engage multiple muscle groups, allowing you to work efficiently. Gradually increase the weight load or resistance as you get stronger. By prioritizing strength training, you can enhance your body's ability to burn calories, leading to more effective weight loss. Number 4. Prioritize sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for successful weight loss. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can lead to increased appetite and cravings for sugary, high-fat foods. A study published in the journal Obesity found that people who consistently got less sleep had higher body mass indexes and were more likely to be overweight or obese. To prioritize sleep, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Establish a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time each day. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to signal to your body that it's time to sleep. By getting enough sleep, you can better regulate your hormones, control your appetite, and support your overall health and well-being. Number 5. Mindful eating. Mindful eating is a technique that involves paying full attention to the eating experience. It means being aware of your food, your body's hunger and fullness cues, and the sensory aspects of eating. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism found that mindful eating can help individuals become more attuned to their hunger and fullness signals, leading to reduced calorie intake and more balanced eating habits. To practice mindful eating, start by slowing down and savoring each bite of food. Pay attention to the taste, texture, and aroma of your meal. Avoid distractions, such as watching TV or scrolling through social media while eating. By focusing on your meal, you can better recognize your body's cues and stop eating when you're comfortably full. Mindful eating promotes a healthy relationship with food, helping you make better choices and ultimately supporting your weight loss goals. In conclusion, losing 10 kilos in 1 month is an ambitious goal that requires a multifaceted approach. Incorporating cold shower therapy, intermittent fasting, strength training exercises, prioritizing sleep, and practicing mindful eating can significantly contribute to your weight loss journey. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making any major dietary or lifestyle changes. Stay patient and consistent with your efforts and celebrate your achievements along the way. Losing weight is not just about achieving a certain number on the scale, but improving your overall health and well-being. Embrace the journey and make sustainable changes that you can maintain over time. And there you have it, 5 exclusive ways to lose 10 kilos in just 1 month. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel by clicking that subscribe button. Your support means the world to us. And if you know someone who could benefit from these tips, share this video with them so they too can embark on their weight loss journey. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.